Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here, and in this video, I want to show you the top 7 products to sell in August 2020 and in the next couple of months. If you're watching this after August, you can still sell these products. I will show you exactly why they sell and the analytics behind these products so you can sell them on your store and get results for your Shopify business. Let's go. If you're interested in taking your Shopify business to the next level or starting your first Shopify store, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you want to learn directly from me live how to get your Shopify business growing and running much more profitably, click that first link down in the description for our free 5-day live Shopify training. For the first product we got here, it's going back to my roots. The first product that I ever sold profitably was an air humidifier. This is a way smaller version of an air humidifier, as you can see here. I'll play the little video. It pulls up the air right there. It's selling quite well, 2,500 orders here. You can pretty much place it wherever you are, in your house, in your office, anywhere that you go. And it's also very portable, which is a problem with a lot of humidifiers. You can't take them everywhere. The market for this is huge. There's thousands and thousands of people, millions of people that are interested in products like this, specifically people that are into aromatherapy, yoga, Buddhism, and practices like that, that they believe in the humidifiers, making them a lot more calm and a lot better and removing their stress, which actually does work. They do remove stress like that. So you can see the product here. It also has very easy directions to use, very easy for anybody to use. The sales volume, as we can see on Asify, is about 100 per week, which is pretty consistent. I also think other people are selling this product. I've seen a few Facebook ads for it. They're selling it outside of AliExpress. They're not just using AliExpress to fulfill this particular product. Great product to sell. In my experience, humidifiers sell a ton. This one is a portable, easy to use, very convenient version of humidifiers. Off to the second product, which is a little bit related. It's a portable air cooler right here. I'm gonna play you the video. It basically cools the air. Again, it's very convenient, very portable, as opposed to other air conditioners or air coolers that are just gigantic and you need to pay hundreds of dollars for. This one you can get it for about 20 bucks. Very small, very easy to use. The sales volume as well is really good. 20 orders per day, 150 per month, 150 per week, 600 per month. So the product sells quite consistently. It's a product that you can do 1K, 2K a day with pretty easily with this particular product. And you can see that it has many different colors, features, ways to use it. You can put it next to your bed, specifically in the months of summer, August, September, and the next coming weeks and months. This product is going to sell a lot, comes in different colors, and it also isn't that expensive. You can get this from, for example, Source Inbox or Hyperskew for about $25, $30. Then you can upsell it for about $50 or $60, which obviously gives you a nice margin and a nice average order value for your Shopify store. Great product to sell in my experience as well. For the next product up, it is an irrigation system. And actually one of my students gave me this idea. I started telling people about a product that was selling really well in my private program. And one student said, hey, how about we find an irrigation system that goes along with it for your garden? So basically what this product does, I'm going to play the little video, and most of those products that I'm going to show you here, they do have videos, they present them properly, and they also have really good order volume. So for example here, you can put it in your garden or wherever you're planting fruits, vegetables, whatever you're doing, and you can put it and it basically irrigates or throws water on your whole garden. So for somebody that has a really big garden or maybe is old, doesn't want to go and put water on all of their plants, which is very annoying, they can use this system. Very convenient, very easy to install as well. Selling quite consistently 5,600 orders. Selling about 30 per day, about 1,000 orders a month. So you can make around 30, 40K a month off of this product alone, doing quite consistently well. And it's a product that solves a massive problem for people that have a garden. People that tend to have gardens or have a home or a garden in a home tend to be more wealthy, have more money than people that don't have a garden. So if you target this product properly on Facebook and specifically on Google as well, irrigation systems, watering systems, they sell extremely well through Google. Highly recommend you sell it if you think that your store can match that particular niche for this product. The next one up as well that combines with that particular product, I'm going to give you some bundles that you can also sell together, is a plant growing ball. You've probably seen this product. It's on pretty much all of the spy tools out there. I saw it about a week ago and I thought it could do well. Now it's picking up in the order volume and doing quite consistently well, although not that much yet. It's about 4 to 5 orders a day. I think it can do extremely well over the next month and over 2 months. That's why I'm presenting it here to you on this video. And if you don't know what this is, you can basically take soil and take a plant So you can see here, and it helps you grow plants. It's basically a plant growing ball. You can also grow on it, thickness control, and then you can make basically a seed or a root ball. Like here, I don't own a garden, but I know it solves a massive problem for people that do have gardens, and it's also very convenient for people that have a garden to use it and to breed plants. For example, if you want to take one plant and you want to essentially increase the amount of plants that you have or increase the amount of growth that they have, then you can do it through this ball. Very convenient, not selling that much, but it can sell really well over the next month and the next couple of weeks. The next product up, since I know I have a lot of people in the fishing, outdoor, sports niche, here we go, a fishing net that is selling extremely well. As you can see here, it's basically a fishing net that you can put on the water and take out the fish very, very easily. It's selling quite consistently, has 3,300 orders, selling about 560 orders per month. And with this fishing net, what you can do is basically take a lot of fish at the same time. So if you're fishing in a river or in a lake, you can just go and put it and then basically take all the fish out. It is also for amateur fishermen, people that don't have that much experience actually fishing out in open ocean or are not very professional. It's also a very easy way to practice fishing or just to get fish in general, and it's very useful for anybody that just goes out fishing, having a fishing day or a fishing trip with their family. They can just put it on the water, wait until the fish come, and then take all the fish out. Very convenient, very easy to use. It also solves that problem of people that are not that good with fishing rods and actually doing the fishing itself. They can use this, makes it very, very easy, very convenient for them to catch a lot of fish at the same time. Really quick note, I just want to congratulate Search from Barcelona for winning our 0 to 60K per month case study that I did with my student Ryan. We show the products, the ads, the scaling strategy, absolutely everything. If you want to win that, make sure to comment down below your city or your country. City or your country below. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button. Make sure to click that first link in the description and join us for a 5-day Shopify training. Keep watching the video. The next product up is a digital measuring tool. Doesn't have that many sales yet, only about 300 sales. But if you watch it, I saw a Facebook ad that was running it, and it basically tells you how much is just by putting it into the cup. So look at this. Basically tells you how much it is inside. And for people that are cooking at home, for people that cook a lot, this could be extremely useful just to know exactly how much it is. It also goes in and out of the cup, so you can put it in multiple cups, just like this one. And you can measure exactly how much of something is, exactly how much it weighs, and not just sort of measure it with the cup. Not that really good measuring. You can actually measure it very, very specifically. For people that cook, this is a massive problem solver and something that people that are very serious about cooking, they are definitely going to use. The reviews so far are okay. They have a lot of 5-star reviews, just a few that say it doesn't work that well. So I would try to get a really good supplier. If you are interested in selling this product, just try to get somebody that is very legitimate and you check that the product actually works. I would actually order a sample of it, use it at home, see that it works properly, and then start promoting it. For Facebook ads, what I would do is I would try to target people that are a little bit more experienced. For example, people that like cooking magazines, cooking shows, very specific cooking celebrities. For example, people that are just very into cooking and they learn about cooking. They know exactly what they need to do for cooking, and this product can really take them to a little bit next level. It's not really for somebody that doesn't care that much about cooking because they're not really going to use this product at all. I would recommend to sell it. For beginners, I would not recommend it because of the new factor. It's a new product. It might not sell that well. So if you're a little bit more experienced and you know how to market products, you know how to sell these products to customers, you know how to target on Facebook ads, definitely a product you should consider for your Shopify store. For the last two products, the first one is this baby swimming ring, as you can see here. Baby. And I'm going to play the video really quick here for you. It is basically a chest float or a floating device for kids. You can put it on them, or for babies, I should say. And then you put them in the water, just like it shows here. And they have different variations. You can make it look like a little shark. They have different colors of it. This is a product that is selling a lot. It's selling about 12, 15 orders per day, about 300 or 400 orders a month. The order value of this particular product is very high. So you can get away with selling it for about $70, $80. And for people that are in the baby niche, this could be a really good product to sell, for example, on Google, or just to complement with other products that they have on their Shopify store. Definitely a great product to sell for people that are in this niche, or if you're targeting anything related to babies or kids. I know I have a lot of students in the baby niche doing extremely well. Very profitable niche. This could also be a product that you can add onto your toolkit and sell it even through Facebook ads or through Google, wherever it fits to you. If you're a little bit more experienced, I would say Facebook, because it is a more expensive product. It's going to take a little bit more spend to actually get sales on it, but still, it solves a problem. Very convenient for the next month or two until we start getting into winter. Then it's not going to sell anymore. So that's why I'm promoting it or saying it for August, because it's going to sell over the next month or two, and then it's probably going to die down. People are not going to the pool or to sea or to actually go and swim anymore. The last product that I have for you today, it is a branch cutting tool or a garden tool. It's another gardening tool. If you have a general store, a home store, a garden store, anything like that, definitely fits into your niche. I have a lot of students in the home niche and they're doing extremely well. So this is a product that can help you a lot. For example, you go in here and it can cut or stick together different branches. So for example, if you were trying to take two branches here and trying to stick them together, or stick a plant together with a branch, this is something that solves a problem for a lot of people that have gardens at home specifically. And they show you how to use it. Very convenient, very easy to use. And for people that are in this niche, it definitely solves a very big problem. Very easy to use, specifically older people that want to make their garden look a little bit more beautiful. They want to take branches together, put them together, or plants together and put them together. The product is selling about $200, $300 a month. So it's a product that can make you around $8K, $10K a month. Not a huge 7-figure product. That's why I put it at the end of this video, but it still sells pretty well. The cost, you can sell it or mark it up for about $50, $60 just because of how convenient it is and how good it is for people that have a garden that are actually going to use it. The reviews are also really good. If we keep playing the video here, you can take pretty much any branch like this and put them together. Make your garden look smaller, easier, and just makes it really, really convenient. Very easy to clean as well. And that would be for this particular product. And just the last product I wanted to add, I know it's in product number 8, but I still wanted to add it. It's quite of a cheaper one. It is an iron protection cover. So for example, when you're ironing your clothes, you might actually burn them. And a lot of people actually burn it. I've burned clothes myself. You can use this iron protection cover. And you can see that you put it basically on top of your clothes and then iron the clothes so that they don't burn. It's selling quite a lot, 6,000 orders. Selling about 1,000 orders a month. So you can make about 20, 30K a month from this particular product. It is a cheaper product. I would suggest to find a really good supplier. If you're trying to find a really good supplier, make sure to click the link in the description for the best AliExpress alternatives. This is a product that if you get the shipping wrong, it can cost you about $10, which is going to be very hard to mark it up. So I suggest to keep it around $3 to $4 and then mark it up to about 15, 20. So it's a tough one to make profit out of. You can also sell it in a bundle, sell multiple of this product. It's selling quite consistently. You can also sell it on Google, which is a great iron protection cover. A lot of people search for that. Search volume is very high. So be very careful. If you are a beginner, it's going to be hard to profit off of this product. The sales volume is going to be really good. So it might be a good idea to sell this as a front end product just to get the customer in, and then upsell another more expensive product, or just sell it through email marketing and build your business that way just to get customers inside the door into your store with this particular product. That's it for these 7 winning products for August, or 8 winning products, I should say. Now that you know what products to sell, if you want to know how to actually fulfill these orders and what the best AliExpress alternatives and suppliers are, make sure to click the video that's going to pop up right there. Click the fastest or best AliExpress alternatives. Make sure to join us for our 5-day live training with the first link in the description. And if you want to book a free one-on-one call, make sure to click that second link in the description. Subscribe with that notification bell and that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.